Welcome back. It is 8:13 right now. So May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and this morning we're hearing from one health expert about the importance of breaking the stigma surrounding mental health. Nurse Meg joining us live with more ways we can support people experiencing mental health challenges. Meg, thanks for being here. Good morning.
Absolutely. It's good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you. So why do you think it is so difficult for people to open up about their struggles with mental health?
Oh, there's so many reasons why it is difficult. I think there's still a stigma, even though we've come so far as a society and a culture. There's still a lack of knowledge and a lack of education. People have had negative past experiences and just an overall fear of being judged.
So when it comes down to, I mean, you mentioned it, there's still that stigma there, even though we have come such a long way. So how do you do it? How do you break the ice? How do you come out and be more open about this type of stuff?
That's a great question. So we really need to create a culture of openness. And this means that we need to open up ourselves and we need to be willing to listen. So talking about our own personal experiences, being willing to listen to other people, and just creating that openness and that non-judgmental environment with other people that are willing to share.
And so let's say you break the ice and you get it out and you say, I'm struggling right now. What happens next? I mean, what happens next in that? Is it treatment, or, I mean, what do we do?
Yeah, there's lots of ways to get help. So there's all sorts of support groups, whether it be virtual or in person, and then seeking help with a medical counselor or a doctor, a physician, somebody like that is really a big part of this. So not only getting someone supportive to speak to listen, to check up on you often, getting a support group to normalize it, but also getting professional help is so important.
I mean, and also, you know, we always hear these things that you just don't know what types of battles people are fighting. So when it comes down to that, I mean, how do I be a good friend or a good family member? What types of things do I need to look out for in my own relationships in my life?
That's a really great question. So for me, when I see somebody struggling with the day-to-day, where I feel like I need to step in and I want to help you clean your house and do your dishes and provide childcare because you're really struggling, maybe a lack of interest in your previous hobbies or things that used to make this person excited, and you can see that in your loved ones and be on the lookout for that, and then approach them when you see it in a very non-judgmental way. Hey, I see something going on. A lot of mental health can be measurable in chemical imbalances, so it's not a personal failing. It's not something they need to snap out of. It's something very measurable, and it's something that needs to be dealt with.
Absolutely. Nurse Meg, thank you for being with us on this Mental Health Awareness Day and month, as I should say. We appreciate you being here.
Of course, it's my pleasure.
Speaking of health, the American Heart